Why does MrBeast look so weird in his thumbnails? Well, it's actually pretty complicated. There's this meme on the internet that's like, oh, freaking MrBeast uses AI in his thumbnails. He looks like a freaking RTX robot, whatever the frick. And I wanna actually, because I know the reason why they do it. And the reason why it's become a meme is because people actually they've got no idea why it's done. So me, very intellectual YouTuber, I'm gonna explain to you why MrBeast actually does this. The reason they do this is actually because there's something that makes people click, and that's when they're interested in a thumbnail. But to make them interested in the thumbnail, they first have to see it, you know? If they don't see the thumbnail, they're not gonna be like, oh, I wanna click on that, because, you know, they first have to like notice it on the screen, you know what I mean? So the thing that's used to make people notice the thumbnail is when they do, you know, an expression like a ah. The reason why they do this is because the eye is attracted to expressions, you know. The human brain, when they see somebody go like whoa, they're just like, whoa, what is he so excited about? I want to know. So the reason why they do these expressions first is because they attract eyes are attracted to faces. So when they see this, they're like, oh, I wonder. They just basically notice it, and then they discover the other thumbnail. It's basically a way to first get the eyes on the thumbnail. And the reason why they put their skin in so many filters, make it so freaking smooth as frick, that's because if my skin, see, I've got some freaking buttons that are ugly as fuck here, but if I remove them, then you have a less chance of noticing them, you know what I mean? So you'll see the rest of my face more. So like, the more you can see the expression, the better it is. So they try and clear everything off the face except the expression, and that's why the teeth and the eyes are so whitened. It's because these are the things that show an expression the most. So yeah, I wanted to explain that. This channel sucks, but subscribe if you want.